Shelton. Boy, if she could place one right over with that outside pitch, right over the third base and hit that line, she'd be gone. There's an outside pitch. There it is. That's going to hit down fair. It's going to get to the fence. She may win this game. She's around second, third. They're going to wave her in. Here comes Shelton diving in for the winning run. Inside the park home run by Shelton to win the game 5-4. Back-to-back homers just in different ways by DeSalle and Shelton to win this game in the bottom of the ninth 5-4 for the Lady Eagles.